In December 2022, the Japanese government adopted a plan to extend the operation of existing nuclear power reactors and replace aging facilities with new advanced ones. The move is part of a policy that addresses global fuel shortages following Russia's invasion of Ukraine and seeks to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. Prior to the March 2011 accident at the Fukushima Daiichi plant, Japan's 54 reactors had provided around 30% of the country's electricity. However, within 14 months of the accident, the country's nuclear generation had been brought to a standstill pending regulatory change. So far, 10 of Japan's 39 operable reactors have cleared inspections confirming they meet the new regulatory safety standards and have resumed operation. Another 17 reactors have applied to restart. Today, nuclear power in Japan accounts for about 7% of Japan's energy supply. Meeting the government's goal of increasing this share to 20 to 22% by 2030 will require about 27 reactors instead of the current 10. Under the new policy, Japan will maximize the use of existing reactors. In December, Japan's Nuclear Regulation Authority approved a draft of a new rule that would allow the reactors to be operated for more than the current limit of 60 years. Prior to this, the nominal operating period was limited to 40 years, with the possibility of a single extension for a maximum of 20 years, contingent on exacting safety requirements. Under the new policy, Japan will also develop and construct next-generation innovative reactors to replace about 20 reactors that are set to be decommissioned. In September last year, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries launched the SRZ-1200 Advanced Pressurized Water Reactor Design. Developed in collaboration with 4 Japanese utilities, the 1200 MW reactor is designed to meet the country's enhanced regulatory safety standards. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said the government will submit the relevant bills to implement the new policy to an ordinary parliamentary session at the beginning of the year. It will be formalized through a cabinet decision expected in February at the earliest.